felt like you were being watched? Well, it's not always your imagination.
We basically look after investigations.
There are some out there lurking in the shadows who are always watching you.
Pre-marriage investigations, post-marriage investigations, companies finding about information about their employees. My children are involved in drugs or gambling or something of that sort.
Adhyatma Prakash. On the surface, just another 26-year-old. But not many know that Adhyatma owns his own private investigation firm.
People are coming from the lowest part of the society as well. There are people coming from the middle class also. There are people coming from the high side of the society as well. Whoever faces a problem and knows about us, they might come. Charge entirely depends upon the case. Certain cases might be dealt with just one man or a 2-member team. Certain cases we might need 8-member team. The number of vehicles involved, the number of days it lasts, it is all case specific. To ascertain something, you would at least want a cycle to repeat twice. So that if he's doing something particularly on a Saturday, so we would want to know that it's coming again and again. And something like this would at least cost you, say, something about 4,000 rupees per day. This includes him from when he's leaving his house to the time he's getting back. Wherever he goes, whoever he meets, whatever he's doing, if it's a cheating husband, if it is an adult relationship.
So when you started off in this line of work, what were the main rules of private investigation that you were taught?
Client secrecy and client confidentiality. You cannot disclose the details of your client, not even to your investigators. Right now, the team which I have, they have been working for us for a very long time and they have all been trained by my father. My father had a background of the defense intelligence. He was trained in the army during his tenure with the army.
बॉस मेरे को बोलता था कि घर में मत घुसना, मतलब दूर से देखो या धीरे करो, लेकिन मैं थोड़ा ये कर देता था.
They are mostly experienced and street smart people who know their ways to get information out, to how to talk to people and how to come out of situations if they are stuck.
The stuff I thought detectives used was a thing of the past. Today, they have one weapon only, the camera phone.
लेडी था एक, उसका शक्ल कभी नहीं देखा किसी ने, मतलब नाम जानता था, घर में रहता था, तो क्लाइंट देखना चाहता था कि इसी घर में वो रहता है. ऑफिस से मेरे को साहब बॉस ने शादी का कार्ड दिया, तो मैंने वो शादी का कार्ड लेके उसका घर में चला गया. मैंने बोला आपका कार्ड है. बोला किस चीज़ का? मैंने बोला शादी का कार्ड. बोला किसने भेजा? हम बोला ये तो मेरे को नहीं पता, मेरे को मतलब देने के लिए भेजा, आ गया. बोला किसका कार्ड? ये मेरा नहीं है. हम बोला नहीं, उस टाइम मेरा हाथ में मोबाइल तो रिकॉर्डिंग हो ही रहा है, तो थोड़ा ऐसे जब निकला वो मेरा वीडियो भी हो गया हाथ में.
This is something you cannot be caught in this, and even if you are caught, you should be able to make up an excuse and come out of it.
भागना भी पड़ता है अगर मौका मिले तो ऐसा टाइम में.
We have a liaison with the police, we have a liaison with the local people also in the areas, the politicians and the local clubs and all of this. And if there is an accident, then whatever precaution needs to be taken, they are already covered under medical coverages.
But the kind of stuff that the investigators sometimes get into goes way beyond insurance coverage.
एक बार भाग के आया था एक केस में, वो चोरी हो रहा था एक जगह में, तो हम लोग रात के 1:30 बजे फॉलो कर रहे थे. 3 लॉरी को हम लोग फॉलो कर रहे थे, तो एक लॉरी दूसरे रास्ते पे चला गया. देखा कि एक बहुत बड़ा गोडाउन है जहाँ पे बहुत सारे लॉरीज हैं. मैंने उतर के ऐसे अपना टी-शर्ट खोल दिया, जैसे वो खलासी वगैरह जैसा होता है उस टाइप का ड्रेस में मैं अंदर आ गया. गाड़ी का वीडियो लिया, तो जब हम लोग बैक कर रहे हैं, मतलब लौट रहे हैं, तो 15-16 आदमी मिलकर हम लोग को घेर लिया था. तो ऐसा पोजीशन था, अगर हम लोग को पकड़ा जाते तो हम लोग नहीं जिंदा बचते शायद. तो उसने मेरे को हिम्मत दिया कि उड़ा दो, नहीं तो हम लोग नहीं बचेंगे.
आप ऐसे टाइप के काम में जाते हैं, आपको डर नहीं लगता है कभी?
नहीं, मेरे को अच्छा लगता है.
अच्छा लगता है
ऐसे काम, मतलब मेरे को अच्छा, क्योंकि मैं वो जेम्स बॉन्ड का पिक्चर देखता हूँ तो मेरे को ऐसे करने की इच्छा करता है.
अच्छा. Has there been any time when anybody's been caught?
No, not yet.
Adhyatma was lucky to have his father's guidance. But not everyone in Adhyatma's family agrees with this profession.
I had an ethical issue with the business at one point that, is it right? You are prying into somebody's life. Is this the right thing to do?
The information will only be revealed to the person who wants me to do that.
I remember him telling me that it's also the other person's right to know what the other person is doing because they're sharing a life together.
I have a lot of information about a lot of people, but I will not go and tell it to anybody else or to the public or to the media.
But when you are exposed to the secrets of others, where do you draw the line?
We will not invade into somebody's privacy, like we will not plant the cameras and all these informations not into somebody's bedroom or somebody's living room. Adultery is something which we cannot prove. We can tell you that these two people are in there and they are together, and if required we can call our client in to catch them red-handed.
The ones who lurk in the shadows have seen a lot of things. They are the faces in the crowd that we never give a second glance. But it's these faces that carry with them the secrets of the lives of others. For more stories like the private investigators of Calcutta, subscribe to 101 India on YouTube, follow 101 India on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for more updates.
हमारे ऊपर भी एक ठप्पा सा है कि हम सेक्स परोसते हैं, तो जो समाज का सच है साहब वो आपको परोसना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? सेक्स हमारे यहाँ एक टैबू है.
And using a piece of technology that works like an artificial eye, and it is that artificial